polling station after voting. I would like to bring to the notice of Chief Election Commissioner and APNT State Election Commissioner. More than 10%, close to 10%, EVMs are not working. And we don't know the reasons why they're not working, we don't know the reasons why they're not functioning, which is quite important day for the entire state and for the entire nation. And if it is a 1% or 2%, we could understand, but it's 10%, it is a colossal difference is going to bring. And also there are reports that if you are pressing one button, it is going to one party. And these kind of reports are coming, and I want the Election Commission to look into it and respond on that. And also appeal to Election Commissioner and Election Commission that even while the number of our party is one number in the EVMs, and while putting the poster and the proper guidelines, they're putting a different number there. So I would like to also, there's a lot of I don't know, whatever the reasons could be, I want the Election Commission to look into it and to correct it, to avoid further confusion, to make sure this election process would go peaceful in a peaceful manner. And I appeal to you, and thank you.